Hello everyone, welcome back to Future Phone Flash. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison of the camera capabilities between the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Let's see how these foldables stack up in terms of photography prowess, overview and usability. Both the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Fold 5 offer Samsung's intuitive camera interface, supported by robust hardware. While their usability remains the same, the Z Fold 6 features an upgraded ultra-wide lens designed to excel in low-light conditions. Camera specifications. Both devices share a similar camera setup: a 50MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide, 10MP telephoto, 10MP outer selfie, and 4MP inner selfie cameras. The Z Fold 6 introduces the Pro Visual Engine, potentially impacting image quality through enhanced firmware and software integration. Camera performance comparison. Starting with the main cameras, the Z Fold 6 demonstrates superior dynamic range, capturing details in both bright and shadowed areas. Switching to full-resolution mode amplifies this advantage, highlighting its prowess in maintaining detail across complex scenes. Ultra-wide lens comparison. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 updated sensor delivers more natural colors compared to the Z Fold 5, which occasionally exhibits a blue cast in its images. However, software nuances may influence these differences, affecting color accuracy and overall image tone. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 emerges as the winner in our camera comparison, thanks to its enhanced dynamic range, updated sensor, and refined color reproduction. Whether you're capturing landscapes or portraits, the Z Fold 6 proves to be a significant upgrade over its predecessor. Outro. Thank you for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights and updates from Future Phone Flash. See you next time.